if you ever want to find out, you can multiply or divide fractions by the same numerator and denominator to find an equivalent fraction. So let's go larger here. Say we have 1/2. We can multiply the numerator and denominator both by 4. Just, hey, if you want to just find it out. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And you're probably saying, hey, man, that's not lowest terms. I'm just saying it's an equivalent fraction. So if a teacher asks for that, hey, it is. Because they say, hey, man, what is 1/2 in terms of eighths? So let's do this next one, 3/5. And you're like, oh, teacher's like, well, what if the denominator's 30? What's an equivalent fraction? So 5 times what is 30? I'm going to go on a limb and say 6. Multiply by numerator and denominator, same number. 3 times 6, 18. 5 times 6, 30. Ha, ha, ha. That's our equivalent fraction. Next, -2/5. Teacher says, hey, what is that over 15ths? So, 5 times what is 15? I'm going to go and say 5 times 3 is 15. Again, numerator, denominator. You got to do things fairly here, people. -2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. Oh, I forgot the negative. Ooh, almost made a mistake. That would have been costly. Okay, this may seem silly now, but honestly, you'll probably use this sometime on a homework, quiz, or test in the future. If not in Algebra 1, it's revenge in Algebra 2.